Today, I'm putting celery juice to the test. Can it really drink away my health problems? Let's find out. In this video, you'll learn about the benefits of celery juice and how it can help address various health issues. Many people struggle with digestive issues, inflammation, and low energy levels, which can significantly impact their daily lives. Whether it's bloating, cramps, or chronic pain, these symptoms can be debilitating and affect your mood, relationships, and overall well-being. Some might turn to medication or quick fixes, but what if there was a natural solution that could address these issues from the inside out? Celery juice has been gaining popularity as a potential health elixir, but does it really live up to the hype? I'm excited to dive in and explore its benefits with you. Imagine waking up every morning, feeling energized, confident, and ready to take on the day. That's what's possible when you address the root causes of digestive issues and inflammation. By incorporating celery juice into your daily routine, you might be surprised at how quickly you start to feel the difference. From improved digestion to reduced inflammation, the benefits of celery juice are worth exploring. So, what's behind the magic of celery juice? Is it just a fad, or is there real science backing up its health claims? I'm excited to share my research with you, and I think you'll be surprised at just how powerful this simple juice can be. As we dive deeper, you might be wondering if celery juice is just for digestive issues or if it has a broader impact on overall health. The answer might surprise you. This juice is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can benefit every aspect of your health. Explore the nutritional benefits of celery juice, including its high antioxidant content, hydration properties, and how it can aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Celery juice is more than just a trendy drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's high in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It's also rich in potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. And with its high antioxidant content, celery juice can help combat free radicals and oxidative stress. One of the most impressive benefits of celery juice is its ability to hydrate the body. Unlike sugary drinks that can dehydrate you, celery juice is packed with electrolytes and water that can help replenish your body's fluids. This makes it an excellent choice for athletes, people who live in hot climates, or anyone who wants to stay hydrated throughout the day. Celery juice has also been shown to aid digestion and reduce inflammation. The high water content in celery can help stimulate digestion and promote regular bowel movements. And by reducing inflammation, celery juice can help alleviate symptoms like bloating, cramps, and joint pain. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real-life testimonials and scientific studies that showcase the dramatic health improvements experienced by those who regularly consume celery juice. From people who've overcome chronic illnesses to those who've simply noticed a boost in energy, the results are nothing short of amazing. One woman I came across in my research was able to overcome her chronic fatigue syndrome by drinking celery juice every morning. Another study found that celery juice reduced blood pressure in patients with hypertension, and a man who suffered from gout for years was able to alleviate his symptoms by incorporating celery juice into his daily routine. These stories, combined with the science behind celery juice, make a compelling case for incorporating it into your daily routine. Whether you're struggling with health issues or simply want to stay healthy, celery juice is definitely worth considering. In summary, celery juice is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a range of health benefits, from improving digestion to reducing inflammation and boosting energy. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you might be surprised at just how quickly you start to feel the difference. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried celery juice before? Or do you have any questions about how to incorporate it into your diet? Let me know in the comments below. If you're looking for more healthy drink options, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 healthy drinks to boost your energy.